Okay, now we're going to do auscultation of your abdomen. Okay?
Yes.
First, I will warm the bell of my stethoscope. Because it's a little cold. Okay, yeah. My hand's cold, I'm sorry. You should hear gurgling in all four quadrants of the abdomen. It should be irregular. Present in all four quadrants. Now we're going to listen to the vascular sounds over the liver and spleen. We're listening for friction rubs, and there shouldn't be any present. Now we're going to listen over the epigastric area and the umbilical area. This I'm listening for a venous home, and there's none present. Okay. Now we're going to listen to the aorta, the iliac arteries, and the femoral arteries. And the renal arteries. And there's no bruise noted. That's it.